cute Jerry Gonzalez, Chinito Charmer Mikoy Morales, and their mentor, Julina Magtangal.
Teka, bakit gusto mo sumikat?
Matagal ko na bang dream to. Maliit pa ako.
Eh, maliit ka pa rin naman Ikaw?
Kintakil ko kasi ako sa sarili ko.
Sige nga, smile ka nga. Bibigyan ko kayo ng chance. Ipapasuot ko sa inyo ang power ng kwintas ng kasikatan.
Hindi nga. Kwintas ng kasikatan. We.
O, edi wag na lang. Ayaw niyo pati.
Ay, hindi. Sensitive.
So ano nga? Gusto niyo bang gamitin ang kwintas ng kasikatan o hindi?
King! Kwintas ng kasikatan! Kwintas ng kasikatan!
Hoy, gising! Nauwi na ha? Ako naman! Daya niyo Dali! Oras ko. Kwintas na kasikatan!
Come on! Everybody now, let's go!
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk out the door.
Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see you. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the crowd, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
That's what makes you beautiful.
My fire, desire. You are, you want it like you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the crowd, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Ay, ang cute naman! Ay, nakalimutan ko, host pala ako dito. Judge Joey, ano pong masasabi niyo sa kanilang performance, di ba? Ang cute-cute.
Una sa lahat, parang unfair yung titling tonight. Lahat ng mga protege may mga titles eh. Ano si Mikoy? Chinito, Charmer. Si Jeric, Kilig Cutie. Dapat si Julina meron din eh. Alam
Ano po yun?
Isa lang naman ang gusto niyan eh. Expectant mother. Yan lang naman. Pero, ito Alam mo, si Mikoy, nagulat ako sa'yo. Akala ko, madalas ko sabihin, ito, nerdy, puro ganon. Pero kanina, yung sa drama nyo, lumabas na pwede kang salbahe, ha? Pwede kang pilyo. Pwede ka kahit ano. Si Jeric, inaasahan ko na yan eh. Pambida yan. Pero ikaw, mas revelation eh. Dahil small package lang eh. Pero maraming sabog pala ito. Yun lang. Okay, maganda, cute. Maganda yung number nyo. At hindi ka nga magkakaanak yan, Julina. Naglalalaki ka eh. Ano ka ba? Pambihira
Tito
ka.
Joey naman eh.
Okay, congratulations. Very good. Very nice. Cute. Cute talaga.
Maraming salamat, Judge Joey. Congratulations sa inyo.
To vote for Jeric and McCoy, just text Protege space name of Protege and send to 2344 for Globe, TM and Sun, and 367 for Smart and Talk and Text. Mag-log on muna tayo sa Protege Hub.